Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that the sound from your earbuds shudders or is intermittent. Of course, I mean SOUNDCORE Aerofit Pro. At first, what I do recommend doing is to restart your phone. Turn your phone off, then turn it on, and turn off the Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth back again. Meantime, when you do something on your phone, you can do something like this. Try to charge your headphones up to 1%. It may take some time, 1 hour, 2 hours, or even 3, but this should definitely make them working. If it didn't, and you still have the issue, hold this button over here for 10 seconds while having your headphones inside of the case. This will do a factory reset. If it helped you, leave a like and subscribe. But if it isn't, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.